Let's unbox this little baby. SlimLine Dishwasher. Ooh, nice. I'll see what's in this bag in a second.
That was a big save.
Ooh.
Committed challenge. Oh, what an opportunity.
Oh wow. This is where the thing goes.
So, just to count the lens or strength.
The liquid thing. And the salt goes in there. So that's good. Let's see what's in the back. So at the back you got your drainage pipe, your electricity pipe. So that's that. I will need to create a hole here in order for the pipes to go through there into the inlet or outlet, whatever it's called. This is what my bottom of my sink looks like. So there was just one pipe there and one of the spigot. That this is for my washing machine that goes in there. So I've ordered one that has one like that and has two coming out to the side. So I could add the drain pipe into one side and the other drain pipe for the dishwasher on the other side. So I'm just waiting for that to arrive and I could connect that. There's the other hose pipe, the water outlet that I want to connect it through. The hole's gonna go through there and come out from there and then into this under the sink compartment. So yes, I have to wait for the delivery to come. So yeah, that's Linda in the back. So let's have a look what comes in this bag. Let's put it here. Hello. Wow, what a mess. So let's see what comes in this bag. Oh! This is for the salt, for the bottom bit that I showed. The funnel thing, and you put the salt in there, dishwasher salt. And this is the water pipe thing. Ooh, this is nice. And then there's a U-bend there if you want to put it up for the hose to go like this, so it drains out properly. You got the rating here. You've got the what the candy recommends, the fairy tablets, which we bought. Where is it, babe? Oh, there it is. We bought for really cheap. We just need to buy the salt. So that's that. So here's the cover and the guarantee that comes with it. The user manual, general safety rules, and then register guarantee and the sticker thing which I already showed. So I will read through the user manual and the general safety, maybe. But when you read through this and try to figure out how to use this dishwasher. Oh, my fishes are hungry, my babies. I can't keep feeding you guys. You guys got so much food. Wow, babe, look at my fish tank. It's so nice and clean. It's beautiful. See how many plates fit in here? Start with the large ones. what do we? This is how I did it. Put the large plates here, the 2 bowls there, pasta bowls, the side plates here. I've got 4 of them. I could fit more. I could fit 6 there. I could fit 6 there. I could fit 4 there. I've got all the knives and cutleries all here. Top area, I've got the knife on there. There's 4 bowls there, 4 cups, the spatulas in there, and there's 1 glass there, and I put another glass there as well. So that's how I filled all this up. Let's try and fix this bad boy. So this is what was there before, and now this is what's there now. So this had just the one attaching that to the back. Now I've got 2 attaching that to the back. I will need to get, for this section, I will need to get that watertight tape thing to go around it just in case. Well, that is tight, and I tried it with the water on. And now I'm just checking for leaks. Damn, hello. So this is the dealio so far. I've attached the washing machine in that one and the dishwasher one in that one. These pipes are short. Even that one, look how much it's stretching. It is short, I'm not gonna lie, it is short. Don't know why they give us such short pipes. That's a drain pipe and that's a water inlet pipe. Don't know why they give pipes this short. So on this one does not reach the bottom. So I need to get an extension or another one, a longer one than this, in order to connect to in there. So I've got the extension. That's the blue extension I got, and then this extension as well. I extended them both together, put that PTFE tape on to make sure it's sealed for extra protection. Same thing with this pipe, the drain pipe, I put it together and sealed it together. Now I have the water and the drain finally attached for the dishwasher. Put this on tight as I bloody can. But yes, and the excess wire I'll put it behind there because somehow there was a nice little gap. So I'll put it behind there so it looks nice and neat and out of the way. So that's that. I haven't switched on the water yet, but I will do that. This is the tape I used. The PTFE thread tape. And I even put some on here finally. So that gives an even tighter fit. So here comes the moment of truth. Water's on. Now checking any leaks or anything. I'll check the drain leakage on this one as well, just in case. And this is draining properly, so let's try it. What's the on button? Start button number 6. Hear that noise? And then this, I'm gonna check at the end if I've done this tight enough. I need to, yeah, I'm gonna take a video of the salt. I need to put the salt in. But let it just quickly pre-wash everything. This is the first time. So it's stopped. Let's have a look.
Sir, it's a post. I'm making memory, a honeymoon cushion. It's healthy, delicious. I don't want to
Oh my god, it's. Whew. That is lovely. Let's try and add this salt. Turn the cap clockwise of the salt. Fill 1 litre of water. Fill the tank up specific salt. It's just a simple twist. Put that in there. And it's half. One more. Okay, fill up with 1 litre. Can't be right. It says now remove spilt salt from the opening area. Is it? Yeah. So put that back. So put this back in. Press the play button for 3 seconds after each refill. So this. Yes, so. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there. So you filled it up. You put the dishwasher salt. So, so put all 4 bowls there, 4 cups, the jug, the utensils. You putting any knives in there? Any knives you used today?
No, I haven't used any knives today.
Okay. Shove it in.
Why is it not closing?
Because something's blocking it. Fine, we're learning. This is blocking it. So you're gonna place all these in between the you know, the thing.
The slots.
In between the slots. There you go. We're learning. Okay, that's fine. Put the plates and bowls. The finish of cups and trees.
Just drop in there.
Yeah.
Close it up.
Hello, what program are you putting on?
Which one's it?
Hold on. There's all the programs. Eco, we don't need that long. Pre-wash 20. Zoom 30. What's Zoom? I like the word Zoom.
Zoom is this one, isn't it? Well, just this Zoom. Somewhere there's Zoom, but I don't know.
P5.
P5. Isn't it?
There, P5. Okay, model P1, P2, P3, P4.
Oh.
Zoom!
Ooh, what's this guy's problem?
Please go
Okay.
away.
Display.
Yep.
Right, the last one.
And there we go. Zoom has been on for 30 minutes and now shows on check.
It's a steam car from me.
Oh, yes.
Smells fresh.
Oh, it smells gorgeous. So we should check first. Let's check these pasta balls. This is for 30 minutes. Microwave safe.
It's a bit warm. Oh, okay.
What?
The plates. They're very...
Oh. What happened there? Why is there still marks on there? Hold on. This one's fine. Do we not put it in an angle properly?
I thought you told me you'd have to go like this.
No, if you put it like this, then obviously the water gets into it and it stays. So it's supposed to be...
Everything else is cleaned. It's just a pasta bowl.
Let's give that a wipe. Let me check the rest. But something went wrong there. Something went wrong there. But everything else looks spotless.
No, this was just where we placed the bowl then. These had cheese on as well.
At least we're learning to put it into an angle, so that's good. Touch wood, there's no leaks. And I think that concludes our video. Thank you guys for watching and following this journey. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button or click that bell icon. I don't do daily vlogs, but when I can, I'll try and do it. And that was all it. It's finally there. It's installed. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.